The Dark and Stormy is a delicious, easy-to-make cocktail that features a refreshing trio of dark rum, ginger beer, and lime. It also goes down a lot easier than the name might imply. It's a close cousin to the Moscow Mule, vodka, ginger beer, lime, and should be an easy transition for vodka drinkers wanting to try something new. Here's what you'll need. 2 ounces of dark rum, 6 ounces ginger beer, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, lime wedge for garnish. Many recipes, including this one, call for a modest measure of lime juice to be added to the rum and ginger beer, which lends a pleasant kick of citrus. But the lime juice is optional. But any way it's served, the Dark and Stormy is tasty and refreshing, so it's hard to go wrong. Here are the steps. Fill a highball glass with ice. And add the dark rum. Next, squeeze in the fresh lime juice. And top with ginger beer. Then, stir gently. Lastly, garnish with a lime wedge. Enjoy your Dark and Stormy cocktail. Follow us for more recipes.